crawling back to you. And you thought it calling when how to be we both know that the nights were never made for saying things and you can say tomorrow, babe. Crawling back to you. And you thought it calling when how to ask you a question. Did you ever have someone kiss you in a crowd or not? Every single one of your friends was making fun of you, but 15 seconds later they were clapping too. And what did you do? Did you leave your house in the middle of the night? Did you wish you put up more of a fight? When she said it was too much, do you wish you could still touch her? Baby, we both know that the nights were never made for saying things and you can say tomorrow, baby. Crawling